Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're in the market for new flooring, you've probably come across vinyl and linoleum. Both are popular choices, but which one is right for you? Today, we're breaking down the key differences between vinyl and linoleum flooring to help you make the best decision for your home. Material composition. First up, let's talk about what they're made of. Vinyl flooring is synthetic, made from PVC, which means it's highly durable and water-resistant. On the other hand, linoleum is made from natural materials like linseed oil, wood flour, and cork dust, making it an eco-friendly option. So, if sustainability is important to you, linoleum might be the way to go. 2. Durability and maintenance. Both flooring types are known for their durability, but vinyl typically wins in this category. It's more resistant to scratches and stains, making it a great choice for high-traffic areas. 3. Installation and cost. When it comes to installation, vinyl is generally easier and cheaper to install. It can be a great DIY project if you're handy. Linoleum usually requires professional installation, which can add to the overall cost. However, it has a longer lifespan, which might offset the initial investment over time. 4. Design and style. Both vinyl and linoleum come in a wide range of colors and patterns, but vinyl offers more variety and can even mimic the look of natural stone or wood. If you're looking for a specific style or want a floor that looks like hardwood or marble, vinyl has you covered. In the end, the choice between vinyl and linoleum comes down to your personal preferences and specific needs. Both have their unique advantages, so it's all about what works best for you. If you found this comparison helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.